back out at Broken Top for another day. The snow's gotten a little bit more wind blown, a little harder, but there's still some really good stashes to be found. But there's also those sharks right under the snow, so we're kind of coming down. We were heading up more towards the center of the bowl, and just with wind and how the wind loading is, we decided to go back down and go up the run that Xavier and Dan and I were doing the day before, the one we caused the little slide on. That's going to be more wind protected, and the snow has already slid, so we'll go check that one out.
Oh man! Woohoo! It's like a survival powder skiing. It's like not quite just let it rip, but it's nice and fluffy. Oh, no rocks yet.
No rocks yet.
Very careful.
Found him.
Cord is ready.
So right here, I was doing a cut right where Dan caused that slab the other day, just to see if the stuff that didn't slide would slide. So that's why you see me kind of going slow, jumping up and down, trying to get that snow to move, but it was pretty stable today.
Have fun! Send it! Make a turn this time. There we go! Oh no!
Whale. Hey, bye.
Bye! Alright, here we roll.
So this is kind of that first run that we were trying to do in the morning time, and as you can see just how much wind is coming over that ridge and those rocks. So we were trying to get between up that gully there, go a little higher up, and that was where our final run was going to start from. But getting from under this safe zone we're in now, up into there, put us in a little bit more significant avalanche terrain, so we decided to stop here. But this, I think, just gives a good idea of just how high those winds were today, watching that snow come over that ridge.
Yeah, get it, buddy! Woo! Awesome! Alright, that's the best we got.
And we had another successful outing at Broken Top. Snow conditions were, I'd say, 7, 8 out of 10. As far as wind goes, wind really started to become a pain in the butt, but is what it is. We still had a ton of fun. It was a good day, another day of turns. So nobody got hurt. We are heading out.